Ladies and gentlemen and programmers, we're going to do part 6 of our calculator. We're going to do the divide method. Okay, so I want you to create a divide method that accepts two numbers, divides them, and prints out the answer. The answer to a division problem is a quotient, just so you know. So our variable is going to be called quotient. Let's make it so that when you call on the divide method, it will be more interactive and print out something like 10 divided by 3 equals 3.33333, something like that. Okay, or exclamation point. Keep in mind that 3.333 is not an integer, so it's going to be a little bit different. So give it a shot. And the other thing you have to do is make a new calculator object named myThirdCalculator, and then ask myThirdCalculator to divide 10 divided by 3. So anyway, give this all a shot and see how you do. And if you get stuck, if you can get it, awesome, get it, and you can be done with this video. If not, then keep watching the video, and I will show you what to do. And if, as usual, I will show you what to do wrong, and then I'll show you what to do right. And again, I'm doing this one in JDoodle because Codivo is not working at all. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna copy this method, and I'm gonna click right there and Control V, and I'm gonna say divide. I'm gonna say public int divide equals int A, int B. Okay, so this is going to be int quotient equals A, and this is going to be divided by, so slash B. So system.out.println A plus, and then we're going to go divide, B equals, and then we're going to say quotient. And then we're going to return the quotient again. All right, well, let's see what happens. And then we're going to come down here, and we're going to say, we'll copy this. Calculator so we're going to paste that. So we're going to make one called myThirdCalculator. Calculator equals new calculator. And then we're going to call on myThirdCalculator to divide. So click on that. myThirdCalculator dot divide, and we decided it was going to be 10, 3. Okay, and then never, ever, ever forget your semicolon. All right, let's run this thing. Let's execute it. Sounds so violent, doesn't it? Okay, so, all right, so look what it did. 10 divided by 3 equals 3. Okay, well, that is not true. 10 divided by 3 is 3.333333333333333. 333. So, but we want some decimal points there. So let's see if we can figure out how to get some decimal points in there. Let's get 3.333. We want 3 decimal places. It's got to be the 3 decimal places. Right, so I come back up here, and the problem is, okay, we turn it into an int, right? And so an integer only holds whole numbers, and so that when we called that an int, we blew it. So let's turn it into a double. Okay, and I don't know what that's going to do. Let's see what that does. Let's execute it, and let's see what it does. Okay, incompatible types, possible lossy conversion from double to int, return quotient. Okay, so it doesn't like it because, well, you know why? Because see how it's a public int? So we're trying to return the double, the 3.33. See when I say return quotient, it takes a 3.333, which is a double, and converts it to an integer. And it's like, yeah, you're gonna lose. So let's look at that. It's a lossy conversion, so you're losing information, and you can't do that unless you I mean, you can, but you have to specifically tell it to. So we're gonna make this a double. Okay, and so let's take a look. Let's execute it now. And okay, so it did it, and we have a decimal place, but we didn't get our 3.333. So we're getting closer. Okay, so now the problem is because of these guys. So because these are integers, it's doing some weird math stuff, and so it's cutting off some of our precision. So let's make this a double as well. Double A, double B. Okay, double A, double B. Okay. Let me hit execute. All right, let's see what we get. Okay, now we've got it. but we have now it's just going on forever. So we only wanted 3 decimal places. So we're getting closer. And so I'll just be honest, I can't remember exactly how to do it. Off the top of my head. So basically what we're going to do is this. I'm going to copy this code here. I figured it out, but I can't do it from the top of my head. So I'm copying. Don't hate me because I'm cheating a little bit. Okay, so we're going to come in here and we're going to go like that. Okay, so we're going to make, no, I didn't need that. I already had that. Okay, so I'm going to do this. I'm going to create a variable called quotient s. So basically the quotient, that's a string. So we're turning it into letters. And we're going to say string quotient s equals string.format. See that right there? That controls how many decimal places. Okay, so the more, like if I made that a 5, it would be further. So anyway, it's kind of weird. But anyway, it's taking quotient, converting it to a string, and then cutting it to only 3 places. And so then when we print this, so we don't want to print quotient, we want to print quotient s. So anyway, if that doesn't make sense, ask me in class. But basically, we're turning it from a number to letters. So now it's the letter 3.333, and we're this string.format thing basically cuts it off to the 0.333, so it's 4 places. Okay, so let's run that and see if it works. There we go. Equals 3.33. Good. Okay, we got it. Yeah, and then just make sure that you do this part, calculator method calculate. That's because that's part of the expectations. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna hope this video actually records here.